Canoo to announce fourth quarter and fiscal year 2023 financial results. Justin, Texas, March 11, 2024. Globe Newswire. Canoo Inc. Nasdaq, GOEV, a high-tech advanced mobility company, today announced that it will report its financial results for the quarter and full year ended December 31, 2023 after market close on Monday, April 1, 2024. The company will host a conference call and live webcast at 5 p.m. Eastern Time to discuss the results, followed by a question and answer period. Date: Monday, April 1, 2024. Time: 5 p.m. Eastern Time. US dial-in 877-407-9169. International dial-in 201-493-6755. Access ID 13,744,832. An audio replay of the call will be available shortly after its conclusion through April 15, 2024. Toll-free replay number 877-660-6853. International replay number 201-612-7415. Replay ID 13,744,832. About Canoo. Canoo Inc.'s Nasdaq, GOEV mission is to bring EVs to everyone. The company has developed breakthrough electric vehicles that are reinventing the automotive landscape with their pioneering technologies, unique design, and business model that spans multiple owners across the full lifecycle of the vehicle. Canoo designed a modular electric platform that is purpose-built to maximize the vehicle interior space and is customizable for all owners in the vehicle lifecycle to support a wide range of business and consumer applications. Canoo has teams in California, Texas, Oklahoma, and Michigan. Forward-looking statements. The information in this press release includes forward-looking statements within the meaning of the Safe Harbor provisions of the United States Private Securities Litigation Reform Act of 1995. Forward-looking statements may be identified by the use of words such as estimate, plan, project, forecast, intend, will, expect, anticipate, believe, seek, target, or other similar expressions that predict or indicate future events or trends or that are not statements of historical matters. These forward-looking statements include, but are not limited to, statements about our plans, expectations and objectives with respect to the results and timing of the reverse stock split and the effect the reverse stock split will have on the company's ability to regain compliance with the Nasdaq listing standards. These statements are based on various assumptions, whether or not identified in this press release, and on the current expectations of Canoo's management and are not predictions of actual performance. These forward-looking statements are provided for illustrative purposes only and are not intended to serve as, and must not be relied on by any investor as, a guarantee, an assurance, a prediction or a definitive statement of fact or probability. Actual events and circumstances are difficult or impossible to predict and will differ from assumptions. Many actual events and circumstances are beyond the control of Canoo. These forward-looking statements are subject to a number of risks and uncertainties, including changes in domestic and foreign business, market, financial, political and legal conditions, Canoo's ability to access future capital, via debt or equity markets, or other sources, the rollout of Canoo's business and the timing of expected business milestones and commercial launch, future market adoption of Canoo's offerings, risks related to Canoo's go-to-market strategy and manufacturing strategy, the effects of competition on Canoo's future business, and those factors discussed under the captions, risk factors, and management's discussion and analysis of financial condition and results of operations in Canoo's annual report on Form 10-K for the fiscal year ended December 31, 2022 filed with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission the SEC, on March 30, 2023, as well as its past and future quarterly reports on Form 10-Q and other filings with the SEC, copies of which may be obtained by visiting Canoo's Investors Relations website at investors.canoo.com or the SEC's website at www.sec.gov. If any of these risks materialize or our assumptions prove incorrect, actual results could differ materially from the results implied by these forward-looking statements. There may be additional risks that Canoo does not presently know or that Canoo currently believes are immaterial that could also cause actual results to differ from those contained in the forward-looking statements. In addition, forward-looking statements reflect Canoo's expectations, plans or forecasts of future events and views as of the date of this press release. Canoo anticipates that subsequent events and developments will cause Canoo's assessments to change. However, while Canoo may elect to update these forward-looking statements at some point in the future, Canoo specifically disclaims any obligation to do so. These forward-looking statements should not be relied upon as representing Canoo's assessments as of any date subsequent to the date of this press release. Accordingly, undue reliance should not be placed upon the forward-looking statements.